In Eden's cradle, soft whispers of the divine, where bounty flowed and creatures kindly did align. Adam's tale begins in this sanctum of grace, a flawless harmony, each element in place. Adam, the first man and steward of the Garden of Eden, recalls the tranquil bounty that was once our home, a realm of unspoiled beauty and divine harmony. In this paradise, every need was met with gentle ease, and the presence of the Creator was as close as the cool breeze in the evening. This was the world as it was meant to be, a perfect balance, a harmony in which every leaf, every creature spoke of peace. Yet from paradise, the first of men was torn, as roots from fertile earth painfully upworn. A fruit, a choice, catalyst of newfound woe, led Adam and his kin to lands they did not know. Such harmony was not to endure. The day came when our choices set us on a path of profound change. The fruit, forbidden yet consumed, was the catalyst not just of our understanding, but of a transformation so drastic that it echoed the mighty eruptions of the world beyond our garden. In consuming it, we invited a cataclysm akin to the eruption of a great volcano, which I heard whispered among the angels might one day rise from the earth. The world convulsed, a mirror to Eden's fall, a mighty volcano's wrath, nature's echoing call. From divine embrace to exile's harsh domain, each step and breath a battle, each night a strain. The act of our expulsion was sudden and severe, like the earth itself rebelling against its core, spewing forth a great and terrible change. We were cast out from the garden, from the warmth of divine proximity, into a world unrecognizable, harsh, unforgiving, and stripped of grace. Yet from paradise the first of men was torn, as roots from fertile earth painfully upworn. A fruit, a choice, catalyst of newfound woe, led Adam and his kin to lands they did not know. This was our new reality, the environment where every breath and step was a battle against a world that no longer nurtured, but challenged. Amidst the cold and hunger, under starless skies, Adam's voice led on, where hope might yet arise. In each face, the weight of paradise lost, marked by time, by frost, by tempests tempest-tossed. In the world outside Eden, every night was colder than the last, every day a struggle for sustenance. Yet in this struggle, a beauty stark and true, foundations of what it means to be and to renew. In bonds forged from need, from survival's fierce fire, lies the strength to ascend, to climb ever higher. I led as I had always led, but now through survival and hardship. Our numbers were few, our challenges immense. As I watched over my kin, I saw in their faces the toll of our exile, a reflection of the loss, not just of Eden, but of what we had once been. The burden of this leadership was heavy, knowing that each decision could mean survival or demise. This world demanded adaptation, resilience. As the first man, I felt each loss deeply, each small victory a hard-fought triumph. Our very existence became a testament to endurance, each generation bearing the marks of the past, a genetic memory of paradise lost, and the relentless pursuit of reclaiming a semblance of that former peace. From Eden's loss to a world harsh and vast, the spirit of humanity forged strong to last, echoes of a garden in every heart and plea, the legacy of a choice beneath the world tree. Yet, despite the harshness, there was a beauty in our struggle, a profound sense of purpose. We were pioneers in a new world, founders of what it means to be human in the face of adversity. The bonds we forged were strong, born of necessity and survival, and in each other, we found the strength to continue, to hope. Through this lens, our story mirrors the great cycles of the earth itself. Eruptions of change followed by the slow, determined growth of new life from the ashes. Just as the world around us evolved, so too did we, learning from each hardship, each mistake, shaped by the very forces that sought to constrain us. In the echoes of Eden, I see not just the paradise we lost, but the forge of humanity's spirit, tempered by trials and enduring through time. We are, all of us, the children of a disrupted paradise, carrying forward the legacy of that first fateful step into a broader, harsher world.